and welcome to Need2Know. Pinterest is an incredibly powerful platform for affiliate marketing with millions of users scrolling through content every day. Not just that, but it's also one of the easiest platforms to use for promotional activities. Many affiliate marketers overlook Pinterest, but it can be an incredibly valuable tool for marketing and driving conversions. Just with every other platform, there are certain guidelines and best practices to follow when using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, and that's what we'll be talking about in today's video. So make sure you stay till the end to get the best tips and tricks. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our content. Before we dive into how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing, let's take a step back and talk about why it's such a great platform. We mean, why should you even bother using Pinterest for affiliate marketing when there are so many other options? The biggest benefit of using Pinterest for affiliate marketing is its reach. There are over 445 million active monthly users on Pinterest, and the platform is growing in popularity every day. This means that you have access to a huge potential audience who may be interested in your product or brand. It's not only about the numbers, but also the quality of users. Pinterest is known for its engaged user base that actively interacts and clicks on content, making it a great platform to use for affiliate marketing. The other major benefit of using Pinterest is that it's extremely visual-based. People are drawn to attractive visuals, which makes it easier to capture their attention and drive conversions. Let's be honest, who doesn't love looking at pretty images of products and services, especially when they're presented in such an attractive manner? Moreover, you also get the benefit of high search engine ranking, as Pinterest is a very SEO-friendly platform. Anything you post on your profile will likely rank quite highly in Google, which means more chances of people finding you and your product or service. If you're an affiliate marketer, this is an invaluable benefit that you can't miss out on. Similarly, Pinterest also has great tools to help you increase conversions. You can use their pins and ads to target specific users and create attractive visuals that people are drawn to. We're sure now you understand why Pinterest is such a great platform for affiliate marketing. But how do you actually make the most of it? After all, Pinterest isn't just about creating pretty visuals. Let's discuss some of the best practices for using Pinterest for affiliate marketing. But before that, let's take a look at affiliate guidelines so you don't get banned. First and foremost, it is essential to never use URL shorteners such as bit.ly to mask your affiliate link. Pinterest has a strict policy against any kind of link masking, and doing so could get you banned from the platform. It is important to be open and transparent about your affiliate links and not attempt to deceive users. Secondly, you should only operate one Pinterest account in which you promote your affiliate links. Multiple accounts operating the same affiliate links is a violation of Pinterest's terms and can get you in hot water. Moreover, Pinterest advises against creating affiliate pins repetitively or in large volumes, as this may appear as spam to users. Instead, focus on creating quality content and pins for your Pinterest account that resonates with your audience. This will help you build a credible and authoritative presence on the platform and avoid any issues with Pinterest's guidelines. Do take some time to get familiar with Pinterest's terms and conditions, as we have only covered a few here. Now that you are aware of some affiliate guidelines, let's discuss some tips and tricks to help you use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. Step 1. Choose a niche. Before you create any pins or accounts, you must determine which niche and products you want to promote. Having a broad focus will make it difficult to stand out in the crowd and get conversions. Pick a narrow topic that you're passionate about and create content related to it. For example, if you want to promote health products, focus on a specific area such as weight loss or mental well-being. This will help you create a more focused content strategy and target the right audience for your affiliate links. Step 2. Creating an account. Now that you have a niche, you need to create an account on Pinterest. Now, if you already have an account but it isn't specifically for affiliate marketing, then consider creating a new one. Remember to make your profile as attractive and informative as possible. When creating a Pinterest profile, it is important to make sure that it looks professional and trustworthy. This includes having a descriptive bio, a high-quality logo or headshot for your profile picture, and relevant boards based on the niche you've chosen. To create an optimized profile for maximum visibility on the platform, use keywords in your bio section, as this helps Pinterest better understand what your content is about. Additionally, creating boards with compelling titles and descriptions can also help optimize your profile for Pinterest search engine optimization, or SEO. By taking these steps to give your profile a professional look, you will be more likely to gain the trust of potential followers and customers. Step 3. Creating pins and gathering audience. Now that your profile is set up, it's time to start creating content. As mentioned earlier, create visuals that draw people in and are relevant to the products you want to promote. Make sure you use quality images, attractive fonts, and branded colors for your pins, as this will make them stand out on Pinterest's busy newsfeed. There are plenty of tools available to help you easily create your pins, such as Canva. Check out the link in the description for a free 30-day trial of Canva. Moreover, don't forget to add keywords in the description of your pin so that it can be found on Pinterest by users searching for related content. For best practices, use a mix of short tail and long tail keywords. Now that you have pins ready to go, it's time to start gathering an audience. Follow relevant users in your niche and engage with their content. Comment on their pins, join group boards related to your topic, and participate in conversations on Pinterest. This way, you will be more likely to gain followers who are interested in what you have to offer. This is especially important and will help you gain more conversions. When people see that they can trust and engage with you, they will be more likely to follow your affiliate links and purchase the products you are promoting. Step 4. Finding affiliate programs. Now that you have content and an audience, it's time to find affiliate programs that fit your niche. A good place to start is by using search engines or asking around in relevant Facebook groups. Some of the most popular affiliate programs are Amazon Associates, eBay Partner Network, ClickBank, and Impact.com. Choose the ones that best fit your niche and start promoting them on Pinterest. When looking for an affiliate program, make sure to read the terms of service in order to understand what you are agreeing to and how much you will be paid out. Some affiliate programs may require that you reach a certain audience size before they will accept your application, so make sure to track your progress throughout the process. Step 5. Promoting your affiliate links. Now that you have an account set up, content created, and affiliates chosen, it's time to start promoting your affiliate links. To do this, you need to create pins that link directly back to the affiliate program. Make sure each pin is visually appealing and includes a call to action for your followers. This might include something like "click here to learn more" or "sign up now and get XYZ." You can also link to different pages around your website that provide further information about the product or services you are promoting. Make sure to be consistent with your pinning schedule so that your followers know when they can expect new content from you. Additionally, don't forget to track your progress so that you can make any adjustments or changes needed for better results. With these steps in mind, you will be well on your way to success with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. The mentioned steps will help you get started on your Pinterest affiliate marketing journey. Keep learning, experimenting, and growing so that each new step taken is one step closer to success. Good luck and happy pinning. Do come back and let us know in the comments how you got on. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with everything you need to know. Thanks for watching. Congrats on taking control of your personal finances. See you in the next video.